All right, guys, so we're doing a roof wash today, and I just wanted to go over a couple quick things. Whenever you get on a roof, there's a few things you want to look for just to let the customer know the condition of their roof. So you want to look for soft spots, you want to look for curled shingles, and you want to look for shingles that are getting bare on the edges, or where you can see that the grit's coming off or the fiberglass inside is visible. So let me show you a couple things on this roof that I'm sitting on that I will talk to the customer about before we take off today. So this is what I mean by shingle curl. What you see here is that the shingle is curling up off of the other shingle. It's no longer laying flat. You'll see shingle curl in multiple areas normally. Once the roof is starting to get older, that just indicates that the shingles are getting a little old. Another thing we're looking for is right here. So we're seeing this darker area where there's less grit. There's more of the actual tar that holds together the grit. So all of this here is old, right? You're seeing the grit coming off there. That's all old. So this indicates that they need to be thinking about getting a new roof. There's no soft spots on this one, but those are definitely a couple indicators that you want to let your customers know about. Another thing that you want to check anytime that you're up on top of a roof is just the health of all the boots for their vents. So when you're looking at the boots here, we're going to look and see, are the nails covered up? Are they sealed correctly? Is any of this cracked or pulling up? Most of these look like they're pretty good. This one, the sealant's coming off that nail there, so that nail might start to pop out, but there's no cracks there. And same with these rubbery ones. You want to see how pliable they are. Make sure that there's no rips around here. So you see this, how this one has a rip right here. So that indicates that this is old. It's not able to keep its elasticity, and it's split right there. Water can get down inside of there and cause roof leaks. So this is yet another thing that I will talk to the customer about, let them know that they need to at least get the boots replaced soon if they're not going to get the whole roof replaced soon. All right, this is another thing that popped up on this roof, is we have this whole section right here where the shingles are popping up. They're all broken. And so what you want to check for here is you want to actually look up underneath here and see what's going on. I don't know if you could see that. I'll have to review the video, but you want to see if the actual roofing shingles have been pinched underneath the backside of the gutter. This can happen when someone pins the gutter back onto the fascia board here, and if they get the roof piece caught in there, it can do this right here. Another thing that this could be an indicator of is that the subroof has gotten water in it, it's swelled, and it's pushed these shingles up. So what I will do is take a look from the underside and just see if there's any evidence of water damage. This is definitely something that you want to have a roofer come out and take a look at, along with those other things that we just pointed out. So those are the things that I've noticed on this roof. It is about 20 years old, so it's time to get it replaced. If you look around here, you'll see a lot of other older roofs like this one behind me right here, where there's a lot of dark, and you can't see it from here, but there's a lot of moss on there too. Most of the homes in this area were built about 20 years ago, and so it's about time to start getting their roofs replaced. Today we're going to treat this one for moss and give this lady a little bit more time to figure out if she wants to get a new roof or when she wants to get a new roof. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave some comments down below, like, subscribe, and come back for more videos like this. Peace.